Hi, I'm Tushar Chaudhary. I'm a mid-career leadership coach. And you know what? Just 1 month ago, I built my own AI executive assistant. And honestly, it's already started changing how I run my business. It's saving my 3 to 4 hours every single day. It killing my procrastination. It helping me to create content, build courses, organize my day. It's like you having a full-time team member without cost. And it just 1 month ago it started. And here is what excites me most about having this AI as your true business buddy. Imagine never feeling alone in your business again. You have someone to think with, plan with, create with, available 24 by 7. Always aligned with what your goals are, never tired, never distracted. So, for a solo coach like me, that's not just a productivity, that's a freedom. And at on 20 and 21st July, I'm attending SGR to discover how deep this can go. Because if this what 1 month look like, I can't wait to see what next 3 months look like. See you there in SGR.